scoota.
Purchase your tracks today. Give me my money. Purchase your tracks today. Give me my money. Purchase your tracks today. Give me my money.
Count the stacks, yeah, I count the digits. Count the right, now these bitches addicted. This girl and shit, yeah, it's way too different. Kiss.
Alright, man, welcome back to the channel. We back with another video. Now this is the unboxing video. What you saw in the beginning of the video was my monitor mount, so I can mount both of my monitors up so it's not on the thing. And I'm getting rid of that huge TV. But yeah, this came in earlier than this did, so I just went ahead and did a quick little time lapse of me putting it together. It's pretty easy. But now we're gonna get into the exciting part. You know what I'm saying? I've been waiting on this joint. Okay, this knife is booty. All these joints. Alright, time to stand up. You gotta use your toes and hands. No. Alright. So we got this. And right here. I don't know what this is. Oh, this is like metal, like. All right. That's it. Yay. Bro, look at that joint, bro. That's actually like, let me see. Because it's like kind of what I expected, but like low-key bigger. Alright. Now the real thing is, I should have did more research on this, but I'm pretty sure it is mountable with the one I have. I know my small one is. I'm pretty sure this one is too. I did a little bit of research. I should have did more, but you know. Alright, so I took my TV off. I took my other monitor off the desk. It's not mounted yet, but what I'm about to do is I'm about to mount it. And what I did off camera was, Up close. So what I did was I attached the plate on there that you needed to do. Now the thing was they didn't give me the right screws, so I had to finagle it. They gave me spacers for a different one. You're supposed to use like one per thing, but I put 2 in between and tightened it, but this one wouldn't do it. So I just put one of the ones that didn't work. It's not flush, but you know, it's not wiggling anymore like it was. It's pretty sturdy, so that's what I did. And I took the lights off my other TV and I already wrapped it around my monitor. So, you know, give me that extra lighting that I like. So, now what we're gonna do is mount this. So what they give you is, let me see. They give you this little pad thing that you can put under so it doesn't, you know, mess up your desk. What you want to do is you want to grab it and just put it right up under there and place it where you want it to go. And then there's a little screw at the bottom that you just tighten. So now what you need, gotta make sure you keep everything. Look at this bag. This bag kept these 2 little things in there. This is what you need. You need these. So, what it is, these Allen wrenches, these all 3 can fit in this little clip here. So they all just do like different things. Like you tighten these right here, you tighten these so that it doesn't move too much. But honestly, you want to keep them a little loose so that like if mid-game you're like, I don't like the way this looks, you can bend it, but you got to put a little force into it. So just tighten them up enough to where it doesn't move if somebody bumps into the table. But you know what I mean? So this right here, so like this goes up and down like this. I kind of want to tighten this a little bit. That's a little too much. Alright, so now that I have them mounted, you want to make sure these screws are upwards. You want to bend them forward like that, or however you want them. I think I'm going to have this one forward like that. Now I think this one is this, but anyways. So what I'm going to have is I'm going to have my big one right here, and I think I'm going to have my small one right here. That's what I'm thinking, but honestly, probably after a while, I'm probably going to change it. Okay. Now, yeah, that's why you want to have it really tight. This, because when I put the thing on there, it went flapping down like that. I don't want that, so at least not right now. That's too big. Let's see if that's tight enough. And I'm definitely going to lower this. Look how high this is. No, sir. Now, this looks too big for this. Man, you got to be shit. Look what they gave me to tighten this little screw. This little thing right here. They gave me this cute. You know what? I don't have a small one either, so I guess hand tightening will have to do. Let's go make sure this one's pretty tight, because that one's definitely heavier, so I want to make sure this one's really tight. Oops, that's loose. Alright. So because I want to make sure I get this one perfect, because I don't want to have this one breaking on me, because I'm going to cry. Now I kind of exceeded the rules. Now listen here. This said it can only take a 30 up to a 30 inch. That's a 32. Now I was thinking 2 inches. That might not be bad. I haven't tested it, so we're gonna see on camera if it's really gonna work out. Cause I don't want it to be spaced out when it's pointing against the walls. You know. So this at least has to be like here, at least. I don't know, big fella. I don't know. I think we tweaked the pack. Uh-oh. All right. Alright, had to make sure that's tight. So boom, boom, boom. Look, let me tell you something, big fella. Nigga, that shit look sweet. I need to clean that one off, clean that one a little bit. Lower that. We're gonna be alright. Maybe. I'm not sure. Maybe I should have moved it over a little bit. But my mouse and keyboard's here. So like if I do switch to PC, I wanted it in front of me instead of having to keep moving that, because that's gonna be hard. So now we're just gonna lower the screen down a little bit, and that's gonna be pretty difficult. Not really sure how I'm gonna do that. I mean, I know how to do it, but one more thing, that bitch gonna drop. Alright, that's for sure, that's what's up. Maybe. Let's back up a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna do the little tweaking a little bit off camera, but that's pretty much it. Now, with all this space, you get a lot of space with this. Now with it, what am I gonna do? I'm not sure. I still got my mic that I can easily run through now. I'm gonna get a mountable mic. That's probably gonna be over here. My face cam is probably gonna end up right here now, because it used to be right here, but you know, I can like put it over it and angle it down maybe. Nah, face cam's gonna be right there. My speakers, with all this space, I can put my speakers anywhere back here because it can fit right here. So I'm good on the speakers. And that's pretty much it. It's just now that it looks kind of weird because I have like a lot of space. But if I'm being honest, I might put my laptop here just because. Like, I'm not really gonna use it, but that might be like extra. I can use that for something like music maybe on streams, but we definitely gonna have this setup looking like mad beautiful, bro. Like, this is like, it's only getting better. And it's gonna be another unboxing soon, probably in the next like 3 weeks. It's gonna be another unboxing. I'm not gonna say what it is. I don't even know what it is yet, but we're gonna have another unboxing soon. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. If y'all enjoyed, make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe, share the video, do all that. Love yourself, always. Peace.